guys and gals. This is going to be a tutorial on some beginner guitar information learning time. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to start with your standard tuning. We're going to start from the strings to go from the top down. Okay, so we have here the 6th string that you would normally count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wrong. Okay, it's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the first string is the high E string. That's your first string, okay? Ah, there you go. Then you go down to this, actually up to the second string. It's going to be B. B. So we have E, B. Now third string, you can go to G. That's the G string right there. From the G, we're going to go up to the A string, the D string. So you have G, then we go to D, D, the D string. From the D string, we go to the A string. That's our A string there. Then you go to the low E string, which is the octave of the high. Okay, so again, from top to bottom, I have E, B, G, D, A, E. Those together, when you strum them, just sound like that. It's not really a chord. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to teach you today is we're going to learn how to play a chord right off the bat. I want everyone to be able to at least take away from this lesson how to at least play one chord. Okay, so again, we're going to have this low E string here, right here. Okay, that's going to be our bass note for the chord. We're going to learn how to play an E minor chord. Okay, so what we're going to do, the way I'm going to teach you is going to be a way so that you can play 3 chords by just adding some fingers and moving some fingers up or down or adding a finger. Okay, so we have your ring finger here. Woo, ring finger. The A string. Okay, I guess I need to explain frets to you. Okay, so we have 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Okay, so these boxes, if you will, are going to be your fret. Okay, actually the fret is the metal bar in between, but the area in which you're going to place your fingers is in between the metal pieces. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your ring finger, your 2nd fret on the A string. Okay, make sure you're not touching any other strings with your hand when you wrap around. I don't know if you can see, my hand is real curved like that, real curved. So you're going to take your hand, don't want to hit these E string, B string, so you're going to have this going to A string, alright? Alright, so now we're going to go add your pinky to the string below, which is the D string. Okay, so it's going to, that's a 3rd right there. Okay, so we have E, and then, what's next, you ask? Well, if this is the A string, okay, this is half step B flat, okay, B right here. So we have E, B, and then you guessed it, the D string is going to change to what, class? Anyone know? Okay, so D string. Okay, no one's going to know. Okay, so it's going to be D, D sharp, to what? E. You guessed it. So we just have another one of those octaves right there, okay? But anyway, so what you're going to do, you're going to take your ring finger, 2nd fret, A string, ring finger, 2nd fret, A string, pinky finger, 2nd fret, D string, strum from top to bottom. That is an E minor chord. You can hear it's minor by the dissonance that the chord has. Okay, now what I'm going to teach you, you keep that same shape, and all you're going to do, you can go to the 1st fret of the G string with your middle finger. I don't want to show you that one because, well, we're all adults here. You're going to take your middle finger, put it on the 1st fret of the G string. Okay, we're about to make a major chord. It's called, we had E minor first. When we add our finger in the G string 1st fret, still remember, keep your hand at a big round arc like that so you're not hitting those bottom strings. So you can have E major. Alright, now you have 2 chords. Lift your middle finger, E minor, put your middle finger back down, E major. Okay, take that E minor shape, go directly down 1 string for each. Okay, so boom, boom, just like that. Start strumming. That is an A2 chord, which is really just a nicer way to play an A major. It just sounds a little bit prettier, so you're not cramming all your fingers in 1 fret. Okay, so we have E minor, E major, and A2. You can now play 3 chords on the guitar. 3 chords, and that's great. That is really great. So, next challenge is going to be for you to get to where you can play. These aren't going to make, the only 2 chords that are going to make sense together is E and A, E major, okay? So you can go to that A, sounds really nice and pretty. Guys, you can even impress your girlfriend. Say, hey, I can play 2 chords on the guitar. E, A, and then E minor for whenever things get a little hairy down at the workplace. Whoa, minor chord. Okay, anyway, so what we learned today. High E string, string number 1. Right there. Then we go to B string. And then we have the G string. Then we have the D string. Then we have the A string. And then the low E string again. Alright? So now we have finished our lesson. And yeah, so you're going to take these 3 chords. E, A, E minor, and you can make some sort of music with it. Everybody have a great day and take these chords. You can do it.